I'm Managing Director from Jennison Associates and Head of Global Equities. Jennison has been a growth equity asset manager for over 50 years with a lot of experience there. I've been running a global equity portfolios for 16 years and been in the investment business for over 28 years doing growth equities. Our investment style can be considered to be pure growth. What do we mean by that? We're looking for companies that are very innovative or disruptive in their particular industry. They're usually benefiting from or indeed driving structural changes within their industries. As a result, they're grabbing a lot of market share, their revenues are accelerating, they have very good margin profiles, and so you tend to drive very high profits growth for a period of time. We like to target those types of businesses because of that superior financial profile, believing that that's how you can win from an investment perspective. On behalf of Witan, when we're constructing a portfolio, we want to follow two basic rules. The first is let's make sure that our highest conviction ideas are expressed as our biggest positions in the portfolio. We don't want to over-diversify the portfolio too much and dilute the power of those ideas as they play out over time. Secondly, we want to be agnostic about the construction of the portfolio with regards to both region and sector. We don't start with the basis of, on a top-down basis, that we want to have exposure in this particular area of the market or in this particular part of the world. We look at the business models first, and if we see something we really like, very innovative, great vision by the management, very good execution in a tough market environment, that's what's going to attract us. It's the opportunity itself at the business level. So we like to run our portfolios also in a very agnostic way, again, which frees us to take advantage of the best investment opportunity regardless of where the company is headquartered. Some of the stocks we hold on behalf of Witan can be encapsulated maybe in a few key areas of the market today, because we are in a very unique period of time. The digital economy is booming. There's a digital transformation going on at both the consumer and corporate level. But let's talk about the consumer because it's really interesting. By far, the most dominant part of the markets today in terms of where we're seeing economic activity migrate is in the direct-to-consumer model. What does that mean? You and I both know that the application is very obvious in e-commerce, and that has been a very powerful driver this year of consumer spending because it's a pandemic and we need access to those products and services. So names like Amazon in the developed markets, or Alibaba and Meituan Dianping in China, or Mercado Libre in Latin America play that specific role in Witan's portfolio. But it also means other things. Omni-channel distribution, what does that mean? A consumer brand that can actually go direct to consumer either through their own store base, bricks and mortar, or their own website, also has great control over their destiny in terms of controlling distribution, sales, markdowns, assortment, better profitability. Those companies have tended to relatively do well this year as they've survived this environment. Examples like that in Witan's portfolio would be Lululemon or Louis Vuitton on the luxury side. And then lastly, there's the technology facilitators of this direct-to-consumer movement. And it can be anything from digital payments, like Adyen, the Netherlands-based company, which is the leader in e-commerce and omni-channel-based digital payments that enables multiple currencies, multiple forms of payment to be used across borders, again, helping companies manage a very complex direct-to-consumer system. Or it can be a technology facilitator that actually enables you to build your website, operate it, take multiple forms of payment, fulfill in terms of shipping, complete the logistics. These are all complicated problems, but technology providers can offer a one-stop solution to entrepreneurs and existing consumer brands to get it done. Shopify is the greatest example of that within the portfolio.
you.